Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your canvas. First, select a stable easel or a flat table to support your artwork. Good lighting is crucial. Position your canvas to avoid shadows and ensure true color perception. Before you begin, gather all your art supplies, including brushes, paints, and a palette. Remember to protect your work area with a drop cloth or newspaper to keep it clean. Preparing your canvas surface is a vital step for a successful painting. Apply 1 or 2 thin, even coats of gesso, allowing each layer to dry fully. This creates a smooth, non-absorbent base for your paint. For an even smoother finish, lightly sand the dried gesso with fine grit sandpaper. Afterward, gently wipe away any dust with a slightly damp cloth, ensuring a pristine surface. Properly securing and positioning your canvas is essential for comfort and control. Make sure your canvas is firmly attached to the easel, preventing any unwanted movement during your creative process. Adjust the easel's height so the center of your canvas is comfortably at eye level. Maintain a distance of about 2 to 3 feet from your artwork and position it to minimize any distracting glare. An organized workspace enhances your painting experience and efficiency. Arrange your paints, brushes, and other tools within easy reach on your palette or a nearby table. Keep a water container or solvent jar close at hand for quick brush cleaning. Always have paper towels or a clean rag readily available for wiping brushes and managing any small spills. Remember to ensure good ventilation, especially when using certain mediums.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.